Lecture on the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, Part 6, Avoiding Harsh Speech. Dear Dharma friends, welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we continue our exploration of the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, focusing on the Buddha's teaching on avoiding harsh speech. If we can refrain from harsh speech, that is, avoid saying things that are sharp, sarcastic, and hurtful, we can achieve 8 pure merits. First, by avoiding harsh speech, our words will be just right. We will say neither too much nor too little, always grasping the proper measure. Second, every word we speak will benefit both ourselves and others. Third, our speech will align with subtle truths. When we constantly use harsh words, our speech becomes difficult to reconcile with truth. This is a result of that negative karma. Fourth, our language will become gentle and pleasant, like poetry or song, bringing joy to those who hear it. Fifth, when we don't speak harshly but instead use kind words, others will naturally be willing to listen to us and accept our perspectives. Sixth, our speech will earn trust. Language that is not sarcastic or sharp will make people feel at ease and confident in us. Seventh, our speech will be beyond reproach. When we stay away from harsh speech, others will not mock or criticize us. Instead, they will praise us. Eighth, every word we speak will bring boundless love and joy to both ourselves and others. These 8 merits are the pure results of avoiding harsh speech. If we can dedicate these merits to the highest and most perfect enlightenment, then in the future, when we attain Buddhahood, we will possess the Buddha's pure voice. Therefore, let us begin now to learn to avoid harsh speech, to speak with love and kindness, and to let our words become a pure power that nourishes ourselves and others. Thank you all for listening.